Welcome to this Inno Plus presentation. This presentation is instruction on the commissioning and maintenance of Polo, Porpoise and Compo air scrubber systems produced by Inno Plus. Commissioning. The aim is to test and adjust the installation, set up and start use, train the user, and hand over the finished product to the client. Startup. Before startup, fill the filter pot and manually turn the pump to free off the seal. Do this in a clockwise direction. Clear the air scrubber of all materials and staff. Set the air scrubber to on by pressing the start button at the bottom of the control panel. The air scrubber will now self-test, fill and start. Allow the sprinklers to run for 10 minutes. Check the direction of rotation of the pump. This should be clockwise. If not, shut the system down, isolate the power, and change the connections, swapping phase 2 and phase 3. Restart and repeat the previous steps. Close the flush taps on the end of the system and ensure all sprinklers are pointing down. For further support, please contact us.